Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions for Tech 100 and Dow Jones. I am here with you all after a little break. As you all know, me and my family are struggling with COVID, and right now I am in hospital. This video I am creating right directly from hospital itself. So because I cannot live without you people, it is you are also my family and I need to focus, and the markets are my life. That is why I am here with you all. And yes, I am very thankful to you all. It feels that I have an extended family here in on online channel. Many of you I have never met, but I can see the love and prayers you have showered upon me and my family, and definitely because of that we are able to recover, and I hope I will be back in form soon. And from today onwards we will be continuing. Please pray that the health does not deteriorate. Also, I would like to request your support. I have seen in last 3 days when I have struggled for a bed in my city, I can see the impact of this havoc in the lives of a common man here in India. So I have decided to do my bit. I have decided to help and support the struggling families out here in India, and I request you all to come up generously and support me in this cause. My payment link I will be sharing in this video. As much you can, we can make money in a single day, or you can devote your one day's profit. If you are making profit, or if you are doing, you think that today we might do some profit, please try to donate it towards the generous cause. Payment link I will be sharing in this video and in the community tab, also in the comments box. So please support the cause, and so please donate generously on this, and we can definitely support. Please help me in supporting the cause. We will definitely make money someday else. And let's have a look at the analysis. And this is a 4-hour chart for Tech 100. And yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. That is what is all I need from you all. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. So looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that this is double top sort of thing which is formed on Tech 100. And let me try to show you. See, now see there is a lower highs which is being formed. So how far now we could expect? Now we could either expect it to head towards, if it breaks this level at around 13,450. If breaks this level at around 13,450, you can go long with a target of 13,520 and 13,600. We are going to hit these levels if it breaks 13,450 anytime this week. If it breaks 13,450, we are going to head towards that. However, looking at this 4-hour chart, see this candle is right now turned red, and maybe 13,410 is the level at which this will turn green. However, looking at this, it appears that the candle should remain red and it is going to hit 13,300. And if it breaks 13,300 also, then my target is big and it is going to hit towards 13,100, maybe somewhere today, tomorrow, because these are multiple candles on a multiple time frame, 4-hour time frame, multiple candles. Possibly we are going to hit 13,100 and below levels. So I will be watchful now somewhere here at around 13,200 to 13,300. This is the first support which I will be expecting, that 13,300 might give a good support for Tech 100 for any further drop today. So this is on a 4-hour chart. Now let's have a look at the daily charts also. What does the daily charts are saying? So on the daily chart, the candle is green, and it has got a flat opening here at around 13,300. And we could see that yes, there is little bullishness out here. So once it breaks 13,300, be watchful of that. Once it breaks 13,300, you can go short, and we could expect below first target 13,200, next target 13,120 levels. Possibly we are going to hit, rather 13,100 levels itself we are going to hit. So be watchful of 13,300 levels. If it breaks 13,300, you can go short, and close your eyes, go short. You can make easily 100 to 200 points, and you can remain short for the entire week, and we will be going below 13,000. Be watchful of this. At the same time, if it's above 13,450, you can go, if it's above 13450 you can go long, and we are going to hit 13600 for this week. So be watchful of these two numbers, 13300 and 13450. Any break above and below, you can take your targets. So just I am giving you a little longer target for weekly charts on if it breaks 13450. So now for today, what I expect, I expect, as we saw on a 4-hour chart, I will not expect it to break 13410. So it might hit 13300 as the first target, and below that it is going to give a good candle, a big candle. So this candle possibly it is going to hit towards 13300, and maybe next candle I will be watchful where it goes. If it bounces back from here, it will again trade between 13300 to 13450. So let me write down the targets here. Okay, but before that, first let's have a look once again on a weekly chart also. So on a weekly chart, look at this. On the weekly chart, the candle was red, and since then it is tried to pull up. It has formed a good tail. A little wick is available. Possibly I will be watchful today where it goes. Any reversal, as I said, any reversal above 13450 you can go long, and below 13300 you can go short for a target of 13200 and possibly sub 13000 levels this week. So this is just on a weekly. I am touching it on a weekly targets as I did not give any weekly targets this week. So now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? So can you see this 13300 as a 100-day exponential moving average support which it has got. It is nicely placed out here, and while at the same time it is getting a good resistance at 13390 levels from a moving average 100. So mostly it is trading between moving average 100 and exponential moving average 100 days, and a pivot at around 13370 for the day. However, and on the upside, as I said, for 13460 13470 appears to be a good resistance for any upside move. Now we saw on a 4-hour chart also. Let's have a look at the, see, Arun is turning little bit bullish from here. See, this green line is trading up and the red line is trending down. At the same time, the MACD lines are trying to converge from here. MACD lines, this gap is narrowing, so indicating a little bullish conversion. And this RSI is comfortable. The stochastic is almost entered again into a bullish, again into a overbought territory. So from here I'll be watchful that which turn this curve takes, whether the red line overtakes this black line, and then again we will enter into a sell zone. So possibly be watchful between 13300 to 13410, and don't trade between 30. I am giving you a broad range for the day. Let me write it down for you. If you have to make good money, 13300 to 13450 is the narrowest trading range which I am expecting. We might see swings between this and in between a resistance at 13410, and we might see just a second, let me write it down for you once again. So 13300 to 13450 is the narrowest trading range which I am expecting, with the little hurdle at around 13410. So we might be expecting Tech 100 to trade between this, and today you might enjoy the swings between these levels, and any break below 13300, close your eyes. So I will not be recommending you to take any position between this levels 13300 to 13450. This is the zone where I am little bit dicey that where it could go. It appears that we might see a little bullish outlook for the week, where we might be hitting towards 13600. However, right now the candle is indecisive, so please don't take your position between these levels. However, above 13450 you can go long and expect it to hit 13600 plus levels this week. There are enough time available for this week, and below 13,300 I will be expecting 13,100 and sub 13,000 levels this week. So take your positions accordingly, and for the day we might see it trading between 13,300 to 13,450, and any break below 13,300 close your eyes, go short. Any break above 13,450 close your eyes, go long. So as simple as this for today. Don't trade between 13,300 to 13,450. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones right now trading at around 34,340 levels, and the candle is about to turn red from here. Once it goes red at around 34,320 levels, once it breaks 34,320, you can go short, and we could expect it to head towards first let's have a look at, before we go towards this, first let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. So on a 4-hour chart we can see that it is a symmetrical formation and a double top sort of thing, but higher highs it is formed, and from here it is trying to take a dip. Now once it tries to take a dip, we are going to head towards 34,200 levels, rather 34,180. Once again we might be expecting this, that it goes towards 34,180 levels. On the upside, 34,420 is going to give a good resistance on a 4-hour chart, and once it breaks 34,420 we are going to hit 34,500. So be watchful of this. On a 4-hour chart it appears that we are going to break towards 34,180 levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On a daily charts also we can see that the daily candle has already formed a good wick here, and the tail is still there, the body is yet to form, there is no body on this candle, and once it breaks 34,320, almost 20 points from now, we are going to see a good break towards 34,180 levels, and below levels possibly 34,100 could also be seen. So be watchful, we are going to hit, possibly if it breaks 34,320 we are going to hit 34,100 levels, and below that also possible, but be watchful. My first target 34,180, and then next is 34,100, and below that 34,000, sub 34,000 levels we are going to look at. Now look at this weekly chart. Weekly chart, the candle has formed a wick, and now it is trying to form this body, red body. How far this could go? This could go till 33,700 levels. My first resistance, if it breaks on a weekly chart, my first target is 33,500. On the upside, if it breaks 34,500, then you can go long, and we are going to hit 35,100 plus levels once again. So be watchful of this, and till the time it is below 34,500, and we could expect it to head towards 33,700, and below that the sky is the limit, we could hit 33,000 levels also. Be watchful. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What are the indicators are indicating? So we saw 4-hour charts, it's bearish. Daily charts, it is already seen a high and it is turning red. So on a daily chart, the pivot and 50 weighted moving average support is lying at around 34,300, exactly at 34,300. Once it breaks 34,300, you can see there is a cluster of lines at around 34,180. That is why I have given you the target of 34,180 first target, and if it is taken also, it will hit 34,070 possibly. So be watchful of 34,320 levels. On the upside, let me try to draw. On the upside, it could hit a high of 34,400, which is again going to give a good resistance for any upside move. Above 34,400 you can go long, However, till it's between 34,320 to 34,400, don't trade. This is just is my recommendation. And let's have a look. See, Aron is bearish. MACD lines are almost running parallel, neither bearish nor bullish, nor indicating much. And this RSI is comfortable. This stochastic is again entered into an overbought territory. Let's see if this red line crosses this black line, and we will again enter into a sell zone. Right now it doesn't appear to be in a sell zone, however it appears to be bullish, so be watchful. Now let me write down the targets for you. I am not going to give you exact, but I am going to give you the range which you should be watchful of. Don't trade between, again, don't trade between 34,320 to 34,400. Don't trade. This is a no trade zone. Once it breaks 34,320, we are going to hit my first target 34,180. Next 34,070. Above 34,400, be watchful of 34,500 also. Once it goes above 34,500, you close your eyes, go long. We are going to hit 35,000 plus levels this week. This is not about this today, but this week definitely. But yes, you can remain long about 34,500 and below 34,070. This is today's target. 34,180, 34,070 is today's target. So possibly we might see today so today Dow Jones to trade between 34,400 to 34,180. This is my trading range for the day. Possibly it might trade between this. However, 34,500 cannot be also denied. Be watchful and have a safe and profitable day ahead. Please don't forget to help in the cause, and your every single penny which you donate in the link which I will be sharing, every single penny will be utilized for the benefit of the individuals who are dying here in my country. I request your support. We can make money anytime. We can make money, but your $1, €1, $100, $1,000, whatsoever you wish to contribute, please make a generous contribution, and we are going to make it. I am sure that with the targets we are hitting, we will be able to recover that money very soon. So please donate generously, and thank you very much. Have a great and safe, profitable day ahead. Thank you.